Hi, my name's Marvin. I want to thank you for giving me a few minutes of your time. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to walk you through the process of making some very, very good splash pages, also known as lead capture pages. And it also goes by the name of squeeze page as well. Several different names, but they all do pretty much the same thing. You really want to try to capture some information from your visitors so you can follow up with them, build a relationship with them, establish some trust and credibility. This will go a long way towards helping you with your business. Now, what you're looking at here in the background is a tool called Splash Wizard. Okay, it's one of my favorite squeeze page creators. Because it's very simple to use. Okay, I'm going to start walking you through one. We're going to go through the process of creating one. I'm going to show you a few things, and this is going to help you. It's going to help your business a lot. It'll help you get the things that you really need most, which is more traffic, more opt-ins, which is going to result in more sales or sign-ups into your business. All right, let's get started. Okay, first thing, we've got a blank background. Okay, under splash pages, we're going to create a new splash. So click on this, and in the background we'll hit new splash. This is just preliminary stuff right here. Now, the free members, and by the way, this is free for you to use, but just so that any splashes you create is going to self-delete in 7 days. Now, for the pro members, as long as your pages are in traffic for at least once every 365 days, they stay active. I myself am a pro member. Alright, first we're going to go ahead and get started with a new splash page. And in the top right hand corner here, we're going to open up our menu. As you can see, we're starting off with a blank screen. Step 1, I want to put in a background. So I'll click on backgrounds, and now we have all different types of options, as you can see. And what I'm going to do, just for demonstration purposes, let's go to nature. And what it's going to do is load several different options for us as far as backgrounds. And we're just going to look around. I like something nice that captures attention. This is just a sample of some of the types of backgrounds. This is just one sample. And as things goes along, there's going to be more and more. I kind of like this one, so we'll go with this. Then we'll close this window. So now we have a background in place. Step 2, we're going to go right into creating a headline. So that will be under sales copy. You'll click, and then a drop down menu comes up. Headline. Okay, now here's a tip for your headline. Okay, don't try to advertise or sell your business here. Okay, what you want to do at this point is you're going to offer something that answers a question or solves a problem. Okay, that is your primary objective here. It is not to sell your business. It is not to recruit anyone at this point. Okay, people don't really care. Believe it or not, they don't care about your business. They don't care about your product. They don't care about your hype. They don't care about your compensation plan. You want to know truth about what people really care about? What's in it for them? Plain and simple. We refer it as people who are generally tuned into WIIFM, which stands for What's in it for me. So what you're going to do is come at them with these with benefits. For example, like I said, solve a problem, answer a question. Or let's say if you learned something that helped you in your business, this is the place to share it, right here in the headline. Let me give you a quick example of what I'm talking about here. This was something that was shared with me by a guy who taught me. This is what he did, so I can share his story because I know it's true. And yes, he did this. He let me look over his shoulder and watch what he did and how he did it. And this is something a lot of people don't do for some reason. You know, if somebody has accomplished something and they share it with you, you can share it with other people. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. It's a success story. Share that. It will help. So now we've got a headline created. $250 in 2 hours using a splash page just like this one. Okay, that's one headline. Let's go with a different one. Okay, now this is something that I actually did myself, so I'm going to share my story. Let me do it this way. Okay, this is something that I done, so I'm going to share that with you. Okay, so that takes care of the headline. Now we'll go back to the menu. Subtext. I'm going to pop that open. And watch this. Clear that out. I want to point out something over here. I have 80 characters to work with. Okay, 67 characters. Now we got some benefits in here. So let me close that. So now 76 new opt-ins in one afternoon using the squeeze page just like this one. Free video is going to show you how I did it. And I'm going to show you more. Okay, here's another tip for you. You want to lead with value. Okay, come out with your big guns. Give them as much value as you can give them right off the bat. Whatever you tell them you're going to do here, you do it. You give it to them. Trust me, this is the approach to take. Now, these 3 bullet areas here, I'm going to show exactly what I'm going to do. More value, more benefits. Yeah, we'll do it a little different here. Okay, now in these sections here, I've only got 40 characters, so you gotta keep it short. Okay, so benefit number one, you can make great capture pages in minutes. Number two, it's perfect for any business opportunity. And okay, so now we got some three benefits here. You can make great capture pages in just minutes. It's perfect for any business opportunity, including yours, and there's no special training or HTML skills needed. Now down at the bottom here, I'm working with 80 characters. This is pretty much I'll use as my own call to action. Okay, this takes care of all of our subtext. Let's just close this out. Alright, here's a summary. Pretty much 76 new opt-ins in one afternoon using a squeeze page just like this one. Free video is going to show you how I did it. I'm also going to show you how to make great capture pages in just minutes. It's perfect for any business opportunity. No